Hello there. So this is a quick walkthrough of the Indeed web scraper user interface that I built. First of all, you want to head to the source folder where you have your code. So for me, it's over here. So it would look something like this. And then you just want to call main. And then you fill out the details. So I'm going to look for a software developer job. So actually here, it's case insensitive, so you don't have to worry too much about things, and probably even spelling wouldn't matter too much. For the location, I'm going to pick where I live. Radius, I'm going to skip that. And for those, you could pick any spelling variant. In fact, you could even just pick the prefix, full, part, intern, and so on. I'm going to skip that too. First thing gets generated is the link of the result. Next is progress messages, and finally a bunch of job postings. And each job posting, you could take a link and you can simply apply. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Cool. You can see that. You can just apply. And you can get a whole bunch of them. And finally, you would ask to save the result in the CSV if you'd like. If you pick yes, then you provide a directory. Now, if you're using Windows, you got to make sure to always escape the slashes. So I'm going to say current directory and escape. Okay. All right, perfect. And finally, I want to actually see that stuff. So it got generated as a job query.csv. So let's see if I could run this. And as you can see, got the entire thing over here. So you could use this for data analysis or scraping and so on. And it is indeed a CSV. It might not look like it through here, but if you check out the original file, then it would definitely look like a CSV. Thank you for watching.